There is a deep interconnection between climate health and human health. 1 in 4 deaths globally are due to environmental factors. Nearly 7 million deaths are due to air pollution alone. An estimated 90% of the world's young people are breathing toxic air. The need for collective and collaborative leadership that safeguards the health of our planet and future generations has never been greater. However, there is hope. Across the globe, young people are making a stand, fighting against air pollution, and using their voices to advocate for the health of people, society, and the planet. Through the Impact Fellowship, AstraZeneca's Young Health Programme partners with these young leaders who are the champions for change, enabling them to create ever greater impact through networks, funding, and development opportunities, empowering them to harness their concerns, passion, and motivation into positive actions that create real impact in their communities and beyond.
My name is Alejandro Dali. I'm the president of the board of Interconnection, a platform that seeks to empower young people to change unjust realities, such as air pollution in Latin America. Since 2018, we have worked to promote and to bring public policies that understand that the climate crisis is a public health crisis. As co-creators of the Latin American Coalition for Clean Air and the National Citizen Network for Clean Air in Colombia, we have pushed for public policies and for advocacy programs that train young people to have the skills, the necessary knowledge to measure and to fight air pollution.
My name is Maria. I'm from Kyrgyzstan. I'm an environmental activist, and what I'm passionate about is clean air for all. At Move Green, we enable access for people in Kyrgyzstan and the region of Central Asia to open environmental data. We do this through installing sensors that measure air quality, which can lead to health awareness and advocacy. What does air quality data mean to people? It's their health. It helps them protect themselves.
Hello, my name is Inkum Bimtarch, and I'm a co-founder at Breathe Mongolia Clean Air Coalition, a nonprofit working to end the air pollution crisis in Mongolia. Our mission is to arm people with the resources they need to fight air pollution every day, build cooperation in the fight, and demand policies that uphold the fundamental human right to breathe clean air. Most recently, we launched our interactive take action platform, which makes accessible, ready-to-use tools and resources to reduce emissions and exposure to air pollution. We hope to continue to widen and deepen our impact by increasing air quality monitoring stations and making our actionable tools and resources accessible to a wider public.
Across the globe, young people are leading the way, inspiring others, and creating a community of change makers, delivering better health choices for brighter life chances.
I mean, it's never too late to act, because if not us, then who? Because we will be inheriting this world and we will be living in it. That's why it's always the right time to act. And when you have started to act, do not stop. Never.